SMCI stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is Supermicomputer stock or buy. I'll be breaking all this thing down in this brief short 1-minute video. As the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience of seeing what's working for me and what's not, and especially with SMCI, just such a decent bullish market. I mean, ultimately, mate, I've been long on top of long, but it's not always been wins, you know. You can see here that from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, I've taken 4 W's, 2 losses, and 1 break even. And honestly speaking, like, the only thing that I would look to do here is buy as long as there is a shift and a double break. And if that does not happen, then I'm not going to be buying. Like, it really doesn't get simpler than this, like, genuinely speaking. So here's going to be this. The only thing that's going to make me buy SMCI, like, let's go. The pre-market is a lot lower, but if it stabilizes, let's say, and it's close to this here, opens around there, then and only then I'm looking to buy, right? Like, and if the rules are not met, then I'm not going to be buying. And people are really going to overcomplicate it, but I'll just stick to my basics because this is what I've refined over 44,000 videos. So if you want to stay tuned for free and get my money making emails and insights daily, market picks and all that good jazz, click the first link in the description. It's free.